Two-wheeler riders should not skimp out on protective riding gear because their life depends on it. Now, good quality riding gear also means expensive stuff, right? Or maybe not. This is Raida, your protective riding gear provider. My name is Aakash Paul and this is the Raida Bolt riding jacket, and this costs just under 6,000 rupees, which is not quite a lot for a good quality riding jacket. But is it a good quality riding jacket? Well, let's find out. First, let's start with how the jacket looks, because if you buy a riding gear, yes, it has to save you in case of an unfortunate crash, but it also has to look good in my opinion. And look good, this definitely does, especially if you're into a minimal and dark riding aesthetic, then this will blend right in with your other maybe black pant, black helmet like I happen to have. And you can see that there is a lot of black, but there are some red highlights. There is another version which has these highlight green kind of color, but I think I like this red much better. It does add a little flavor to the looks of the jacket, but does not overpower it or does not make it too loud. And you can see that large portions onto the jacket, especially at the front over here in the arms and even at the back, you have this mesh which allows good ventilation of air. Now, this is primarily a summer riding jacket because when the temperatures are high, you would want some air passing through, and that this jacket provides very nicely. I have been using it for about 2 months now, and it has been a very good experience thus far. The problem here is that there is no provision to add a rain liner. So if you happen to ride with this jacket on when it's raining, it's not going to be pleasant. Thankfully, I've not had to do that just yet. Apart from this, you also get these reflective patches on the front, on the arms, and even the logo at the back. This is reflective, which is great because when you're riding at night, if you happen to be in a very dark environment, then any other vehicle passing by will be able to spot you quite easily. So it's a thoughtful addition to the overall aesthetics and blends in very nicely when you're riding in the day as well. It does not scream out too much. I ordered a large size jacket. As you can see, I'm 6 feet tall and very, very thin. So finding riding gear which hugs me tightly can be a bit of a challenge. And I was so happy that this Bolt jacket fit me so well. I could easily use the straps on the side as well as here on the hands. You also have a zip right here for more adjustment, and for keeping the jacket secure you have a strap here, and all of this makes it so that you can easily wrap this jacket around your frame and it does not feel too loose. The only area where this could do with some improvement is in the bicep area, because some jackets tend to have a strap over here as well, or a button that can make this a little bit more snug, but this one does not have it. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something which I wish the jacket definitely had. Now, the zips that you see are also great. These zips work really well. I've not had any hiccups whether I have my gloves on or not. I've been able to operate each and every zip, be it these ones or this one, or even the ones for your pockets. They all have been working very well and they look pretty sturdy. I've not had any issues, like I said, up until now. Speaking of pockets, you get a total of 4. So you have 2 of these pockets on the outside which have zippers, so that if you put something inside, they are safe and secure. Then on this side, you will have a pocket which is inside, which is nice and big. And then on the other side, you have another pocket with this Velcro and a flap. Again, if you want to keep something secure, you want to save it from the elements, then this pocket is going to come in pretty handy. time to talk about the most important aspect of a jacket, the protection. Now, thankfully, Raida has given good CE level 2 protectors for your shoulders, for your elbows, and even included a back protector right here. Now, I have seen some jackets around this price bracket which do not provide a back protector or have like level 1 protection. So it's good that you get level 2 pads right from the get-go. You do not have to spend extra money buying and fitting those. Plus, you also have foam pads for the chest area which you can access through here. So there is a small Velcro, and once you open it, after a little bit of struggle, you can see these are the foam pads. They also help keep the jacket in shape and provide a small layer of protection. Yes, they're not the CE level 2 type, but again, these little efforts are also appreciated. So Raida has taken care of the protection part, which is really commendable and shows that even at a relatively low budget, you can get good quality materials. The fabric that you see here is the 600D polyester, so that also is something that we see in a lot of jackets. Another thing that I like is that you can easily access the cavities which hold these armors. So if you want to swap them or take them out to clean the jacket, that can be done in a jiffy. It's not a big struggle. While Raida might not yet have the brand pull that some others do, they surely have made a jacket which looks good. The fit and finish is nice. It is at a very reasonable price of 5,950 rupees, and it also gives you loads of protection. And like I said, on top of it all, it looks good. It goes well with other riding gear which is dark themed that I really like. So brownie points from me personally for that. If you also like subtle or stealthy riding gear, let us know in the comments below. But overall, like I said, this is a very good product for its price. Yes, maybe Raida could have priced it a little more aggressively to better compete with the bigger brands, but even at this price, I don't think you're being shortchanged for the amount of kit and the protection that you are getting. That is all for today's review. If you have any more questions regarding this jacket, let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. And for now, this is me signing off. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.